So now let's see how we can work around with chart options inside of Google Sheets. So in order to do that, I'm going to select out the data that I have over here, and then I'm going to click on chart. So once I do that, the chart is generated, as you can see right here. And in order to work around with the chart options, we can go around over here. And you can see that these are the options right here. So I can edit the chart right here. So once I do that, this actually pops up. So if I were to go click here, go on edit chart, then you can see that this is what I have. I can go around over here and delete the chart over here as well if I don't want it anymore. So I'm just going to go around and press undo because I don't want to delete the chart. Then I can go around over here. Another option that I have is I can download the chart as an SVG, a scalable vector graphic, a PDF, or a PNG image. Let me just click on PNG image and let's see what happens. It actually saves out the file, as you can see right here, and there's the image right here of the chart right here. So I'm just going to close this and we can see other option as well. I can publish out the chart right here as a link as well. I can embed it onto the website. So I can just publish it out. So I'm just going to say OK, and you can see that there's the link. So you can copy out this link right here. And then if other people were to access this just like this, if we were to access the link, they'll be able to see this chart out just like this as well. So other option that you have is you can copy the chart right here as well and then paste it out. Press Ctrl V, there you go. And you can go around over here and there's other option. You can go around, move it into an own sheet, that is a new sheet is created right here with just the chart, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and there's the copy of the chart right here. So here you can also add in an alternative text in case the chart is not displayed or when you hover over. So you can say something like console chart right here, and you can say something like the description over here. You can add in a description, for example, quantity of the chart, just like this. So once I do that, you can go around and then change this around, and an alternative text can be added as well. And that is how you can work around with the chart options inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.